met a few months back.
Okay. I thought I could help him, but I can't. He's unstable, disturbing the peace.
So what
And
happened
the
today?
peace must be maintained.
Alright.
You feel the peace? You feel it?
What happened today, sir?
It needs to be maintained.
It's pretty peaceful right
Came
now.
into my home and I told him he can't come in without permission.
Yeah.
So he violated my space, my boundaries. Then came and slammed my door. So he destroyed, yes, that's destruction of property.
Where is he currently?
He's currently in my area that I allowed him to stay in
How long has he been staying here?
for a few months now.
Okay.
That him right
Yes, and he needs to be evaluated or looked at or whatever you gotta do.
Okay.
there? Does he have any weapons on him?
He has no weapons on him. He has no weapons.
Do you have any weapons on you?
I am the weapon.
Okay. Do you have any guns on you?
I don't use
All
guns.
right.
That's all we're worried about.
Okay.
Just stay right here for me, please. Do you have a positive ID?
Go check Elvis off of me that I ran. Elwood Clark, Sean off the 40.
All right. We're about to go 10-15 on him. We're going to have a problem. He's a sovereign citizen and pretty big dude. So you can just kind of make your way this way, please. Hey, come here. Come here. Elroy.
That's not my name.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is. You got a warrant for your.
Do you know?
You got a warrant for your arrest.
Listen. Calm down.
No one's commenting.
Don't listen to that man. Take off your glasses.
What is your name?
It's okay.
What's your name?
Take off. I told you, it's Ben Day.
It's not Ben Day. I got your picture pulled up, man.
That is
You're
not.
Elroy.
That is not me.
Okay,
How are
well-
you gonna tell me who I am?
'Cause I got proof. I got your picture.
That's proof.
I have your ID.
bullshit.
I have your ID.
That's bullshit. You got bullshit in your hands, in your eye,
Bro,
your car.
Calm down.
You're on my land. You're telling me to calm down?
You got a warrant for your arrest.
I've been here peacefully making things happen in my world, in my space. I'm allowed to do that. I haven't troubled anyone. There's been no crime.
Here's what's gonna happen.
There's no crime. It's a civil matter, and I said leave.
Here's
That's
what-
all that matters.
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen, it's a civil matter.
402 Central Limit Truck.
I am calm, and it's not about to be. It's not about to be. I want to stay calm. I want to
If-
stay calm.
If you fail to comply,
If you fail to comply to what I
You will
just
get
said, I
tased.
want to stay calm. If you fail to comply with what I just said,
put your hands behind your back.
listen, I don't take
we're not
orders
doing
from
it.
you. Listen,
You're
do
about-
not touch me.
You're about to get tased.
For what?
You have a warrant for your arrest.
I do not have a warrant.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am Ben Day.
Okay.
Who's the warrant for?
For you.
For who?
For you.
Who's who? Who's you?
Listen.
Who's you?
Put your hands behind your back.
I am Ben Day. Do you hear what I said?
Do you have an ID?
I am Ben Day. I'm
Do
on my
you have-
property. I'm not operating in commerce.
Do you have
Is
an
this
ID?
commerce?
I don't know what that is.
You're about to get tased. I'm
Really?
not. Yeah.
You're about to
100%.
tase me on my land.
I will. I will.
You will do that.
I
What's your
will
name?
100% do
Suspender.
it. That's correct.
You will tase
Put your
a
hands
peaceful
behind your
man on his
Okay.
land.
Can we make this peaceful?
It is peaceful. Don't you feel the peace?
No, you're yelling right now.
Okay.
So,
Okay. I forgot.
if we are mistaken,
You're mistaken.
if we are mistaken,
If you're mistaken,
we can get this all cleared out.
I am Ben Day.
Right.
That's
Let's-
what it.
Okay.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
What's your
That's
date of
all.
birth?
You're looking for who?
What's your date of
Who are
birth?
you looking for?
What is your date of birth?
Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for?
Jake, you're
Who
matching.
are you looking for?
Elroy.
Okay, you're matching.
You're not
Elroy
Elroy?
doesn't live here.
Okay. Where does Elroy live?
I don't know. Go ask him.
Because Elroy's
Go
address.
ask him.
Elroy's address is here.
Go ask him. Go ask him.
Put your hands behind your back.
Go ask Elroy.
Put your hands behind your
Go
back.
ask Elroy.
I'm going to tell you one more time. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not matching anything. This
Okay.
is my estate.
Right, but keep this peacefully.
I am being peaceful. I have no weapons on me, and I told you
Raise your
that.
voice, though.
I'm allowed to raise my voice. That's not against the
That's
law.
not being peaceful, though.
That's what decibel is it that I need to go past? What decibel is it not peaceful anymore? Tell me that.
Elroy, put your
Do
hands
not
behind
touch me.
Put your hands
Hey,
behind your
do
back.
not touch me.
Put your hands behind
Do
your
not
back.
touch me. I'm telling you, do not touch me.
I'm gonna tase
If
you.
you tase me, it's gonna get hot in this bitch. And I'm telling you, it's gonna get hot. I'm telling you, it's gonna get hot. I don't care. Go ahead.
I'm gonna tase you.
All right.
Put your hands behind your back.
Listen.
Put your hands behind your back.
Go ahead and do what you gotta do. Go ahead. Don't touch me though. You're not allowed to touch me.
Back up.
Maintain 1 arm distance from me for your own safety.
Taser, taser, taser.
Hey,
Tase him. Tase him.
get on the ground. Just get on the ground, please.
OC, OC. Get on the ground.
I gave you everything, and this is how you treat
On
me.
the ground, please.
I gave you everything.
On
and this is
the
how you treat
ground.
me. I gave you everything. Get the fuck off me. Don't touch me.
Stay on the ground.
Do not touch me. If you touch me, you're gonna see something you don't want to see.
Elroy, come on.
Get on the
I'm
ground.
telling you,
Come on.
for your safety.
Get on the ground.
Get on the
I'm
ground.
telling you.
Let's make this peaceful.
This is peace and love. This is peace and love.
Come on, Elroy.
This is peace
Get
and love.
Get on the ground.
Peace and love.
Just get on the ground.
Put your hands behind your
Hands
back. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't touch me.
Elroy, come on.
I'm not Elroy.
What is your name again?
I'm Benday.
Benday, then put your hands behind your back.
On your back.
I'm not getting my hands behind my back. This is my land. And do not shoot me with that shit again.
Then just listen.
Go ahead and hit me with that and let it bend. And then you'll see.
Back up.
Hit me with that and
Back up.
It's right here. It's okay.
Back up.
Hit me right here.
Benday.
Hit me. I'm
Bro,
giving you
back
permission.
up.
I'm giving you permission to show you so you can see.
Where is it?
Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
Why are you listening to this man?
He's trying to help you.
Get on the ground.
I'm not getting on the ground. I'm not getting
They're
on
on
the
the
ground.
they're on the round.
Take your gun out and shoot me.
I'm not gonna shoot you.
No, so you can see.
I don't want to shoot you.
So you can see.
I don't want to shoot you.
Do not touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
It's a civil matter, and I told you.
And now we're trying to figure something else out.
Hey, do not go on my grass. Get off my grass. Get off my grass. Tell him to get off my grass.
He's been tased twice and sprayed.
Tell him to get off my
He's
grass.
been tased.
I've been
Hey,
tased.
Get on the ground.
I told you don't.
Get on the ground. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Get a fucking tase me, motherfucker.
All right.
Yeah,
He's up. He's up.
no, tase. No. I'm bad.
Get off.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Stay down. Stay down.
I've been shot, motherfucker. I'm telling you. You're gonna be a fucking shot. Not gonna work. Get on the ground. Not gonna work. You're incompetent.
Get on the ground. What? Not lethal. Not right now.
Get on the
No one's gonna get murdered.
We don't want to hurt you. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the fucking ground.
Get on the ground. Hey, shut up! Get on the ground.
That's my brother.
Benday, come on.
It's a civil matter.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. This guy, he's a badass. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Come on, Benday.
Just get on the ground. What is
Or
your
two,
problem?
K9.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Your ETA.
Benday, come on, man.
11 minutes. Get your hand up. He's like, oh.
402 Central to update. We're still attempting to take into custody, trying to avoid lethal at this point. Central, we going less lethal. This is a beanbag. This is a beanbag. You don't want this. Trust me.
All right, you know what? Listen.
Get on the ground. You don't want this.
Get on the ground.
You'll get water later. You'll get water later. You can get on the ground now. Palmer, move.
Get on the ground. You're going to be beanbagged if you don't get on the ground.
Get on the fucking ground. On the day. Yeah.
Everybody's bent down.
Who are you looking for?
Get on the ground
Who
now.
are you looking for?
Get on the ground. You, Elroy.
I'm not Elroy.
Then get on the ground. We can sort it out.
No weapon.
But you're going to be handcuffed in the meantime.
That's less than lethal. Calm down.
He's got a gun in his fucking hand right there.
As soon as he stands up, I'll have him pierced off his head. I'm gonna
667.
Get on the ground.
I'm telling you right now.
Get on the ground.
I don't know if I can take it.
Less lethal, less lethal, less lethal. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I know.
Get on the fucking ground, dude. The next thing.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Less lethal,
I don't
less
know if I
lethal,
can
less
stand
lethal.
it. I don't fucking know.
Get on the
I
ground.
don't fucking know.
Less
on the
lethal
ground.
deployed times 2. Get on the
I
ground.
know. I know.
Get on the fucking ground, dude. The next thing. Get on the ground. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Behind your back. Hands behind your back. Shots fired. 428. Shots fired.
Calm him down. Hey, breathe. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. In, out. In. Hey, look at me. No. Come on, face this way. Deep breaths. Deep. No. Me.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm good.
I know. Deep breaths. I want to hear deep breaths. Like that. One more. Come on. No. You're clearing up. Come on.
I shot him.
Come on.
It's okay, look at me.
He was coming right at me.
I got you.
I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that.
It's fine. You're fine. Come on.
Oh, no.
You're fine. Alex, I got you. Come on. I got you.
You're fine. I'm good. I'm breathing.
You gotta come sit in my car. Come on, go sit in my car.